When you have a 3 by 3 with Cramer's rule, you can do it, but you probably want to use your calculator to get the 3 by 3 determinants calculated. So here's what you would do. You would start off with your determinant of A, and that again would be the matrix 1, 2, -4, so just these coefficient matrix 7, 3, 5, -2, -6, 7. Now, you could by hand calculate that, or you could go to your calculator and hit second matrix and then go to edit, and then your A matrix, you're trying to find the determinant of this, so you have a 3 by 3, and then just put in the entries as 1, 2, -4, 7, 3, 5, -2, -6, and 7. Okay, now we want the determinant, so we're going to go second quit, and then we're going to go second matrix over to math, and right there number 1 is determinant, and then second matrix and select our matrix A. And so that tells us that the determinant of A is equal to 77. Okay, so now to use Cramer's rule, we have that our constant vector is -1, 26, -6. So for this guy, what we're going to do is for x, we're going to take and replace column 1 with that matrix. So it's going to look like -1, 26, -6, and then the rest, column 2 and column 3, will be the same. We'll compute that determinant and put that over 77. Now again, this is where I personally would probably use my calculator. I would go to second matrix, edit the matrix as -1, 2, -4, 26, 3, 5, -6, -6, 7. And then you can always do your second enter to just repeat the same process, and that would also give you a determinant of 77. So it would be 77 divided by 77 to get 1 for your x value. Now we also have to repeat this for y and z. So because y is in the second column, what we're going to do is replace the second column with our constant vector. So we'll have 1, 7, -2, second column replaced as -1, 26, -6, -4, 5, and 7. So again, here is where you want to go second matrix, go over to edit, and then do your 1, -1, and remember -4, 5, and 7, that has not changed at all, so really you don't have to edit column 3. So you just have 7, 26, 7, 26, and then -2, -6, and 7. So let's just double check 1, -1, -4, 7, 26, 5, -2, -6, and 7. Now remember that that answer is going to be over the determinant of A, so over 77. So go second quit, and then you can just hit second enter to repeat that same command, and you get 231 divided by 77. So the key thing to remember is that division by the determinant of A, and that gives you 3. Now for the Z, we're going to do the same idea, but now replace column 3. So for Z, we'll have 1, 2. Now column 3 will be the -1, 26, -6. And then the first part is the same. So 1, 2, 7, 3, -2, -6. And that's over the determinant of A, the 77. So again, you'll go to your second matrix and edit that. And then again, column 1 has not changed, so it's really just column 2 and 3 you have to kind of worry about. And then 3, 26, -6, -6. And let's just make sure 1, 2, -1, 7, 3, 26, -2, -6, -6. And then second quit, and then go back to your matrix determinant A, and that gives you 154. And then you'll take your 154 divided by the 77 and get 2. So your final answer is going to be the x value, which was 1, the y value, which was 3, and then the z value, which was 2.